Hi my YouTube fan, welcome to Selvin Family and Kitchen. Today we're gonna cook king prawns fried rice. So right here we have some rice where we cooked from last night, some white rice, and right here we have some cut up ginger, garlic, spring onion, one big white onion, some celery, some broccoli. We just put in some warm water for 2 minutes. We have some sweet corn, green peas, cut up carrot. We have 2 cut up carrot there. We have half of red bell pepper. We have 2 cut up mushroom. We have 2 egg. We have some king prawns right here, and we have some half a lemon there. And then we have little all-purpose season, little black pepper, a teaspoon of soya sauce, and a teaspoon of oyster sauce. So we're gonna cook today king fried rice. So this is all the ingredients we're gonna use today. So please subscribe to my YouTube page. Please hit that red button and please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. So guys, right now we're just gonna put a little bit of season, just a half a teaspoon, and the king prawns, just half a teaspoon we're gonna put in because we don't want to use too much season, and a little tip of black pepper, just a little small tip of black pepper we're using in today king prawns. So king prawns don't want to take too much season because you don't want to kill that taste, and it is very easy to cook. So today in Selvin and Family Kitchen is king fried rice we're gonna cook. So please subscribe to my YouTube page and please hit the notification button and please share and like. So guys, right now we're just gonna put in the egg. We have 2 eggs here. Let's get everything out of that bowl. So we have 2 eggs here, we're just gonna scramble. So I don't want to burn my eggs, so just turn on the fire a bit. Keep on whisk around the pot. So today it is fried rice with king prawns fried rice. So this don't take around a minute or a minute and a half to scramble it. So just scrape around the pot. Just gonna throw that in the bowl. So I just finished scrambled 2 eggs, and then I take it out, and then now I'm just gonna put in the king prawns in it. Give it around 3 minutes. It's a nice stir. So you don't want to give it more than around 3 minutes because you don't want to overcook your king prawns. So king prawns is very easy to cook. Look at that, people. Look how beautiful that looks. So this is in for around 2.5 minutes. I'll give it another 10 minutes. So then I'm gonna another 10 seconds, and then I'll take it out and put it in the pot. You don't want to overcook your king prawns. So I just take out the king prawns out of the pot. So now I'm just gonna chuck in some 1 white chopped onion. So 1 white chopped onion. a piece of chopped ginger. Take all of that out. 4 cloves of chopped garlic. That's a nice little stir. 2 pegs of celery. Finely chopped. So I just put in 1 white chopped onion, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 sticks of celery, and piece of chopped ginger. Now I'm gonna add in 2 finely chopped carrots. That's a nice stir. So I just cut up in half of green bell pepper and half of yellow bell pepper. So I'm just gonna add some more pepper to it. You want that yellow, beautiful color. And that, people, beautiful. So guys, this has been cooking for around, in the pot for around 2 minutes. Burn it off a bit. So now I'm just going to chuck in the green peas, a bowl of green peas. And some cut up broccoli, because I just boiled some warm water and put that in for around 2 minutes. Give it a little stir. I love that color already. So that beautiful color. So now I'm just gonna put in the king prawns. Stir it all out. And have a stir. How beautiful these are, people. Look like I can eat that by itself without having to put the rice in it. So I just put in the king prawns in it. King prawn in a minute. And so I'm just gonna put in some rice now, what I cooked from last night. This is a bowl of rice here. Give this a nice stir. Look at that, guys. Oh, that looks beautiful. Just gonna put in the egg. So this is egg fried rice with king prawns today on the menu. So we're just gonna put in a little bit of sugar. You can choose if you want to put in sugar, it's up to you, but I like to put in a little bit of sugar in it, give it that extra taste. We're gonna add, so guys, I'm just gonna add in 2 sticks of spring onion. So just cut up 2 sticks of spring onion right there. I love to add in my spring onion very last, but you can put in anytime you want to do. It's up to you. Guys, I'm telling you, my mouth is just dripping. I just want to eat some of this. Guys, this is all finished now. Just gonna take it out and dish it out. It's gonna beautiful, beautiful egg fried rice with king prawns. So please subscribe to my YouTube page and please hit that notification bell so when I post the next video like this, awesome video, you guys will get it. And please share and like. Now this is our fried rice, egg fried rice with king prawns. This is all finished. Look at that, I can't wait to have it. I'm starving. So please subscribe to my YouTube page and please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you will get it. So please hit that red button and please share and like. And please stay safe. Peace.